My name is Christian, and I'm here to talk to you about a vacuum cleaner. Ease. You wouldn't be able to do that ease with a full-size vacuum. Instead of going into a bag that will eventually go into a landfill, that will eventually go into a bag that will eventually go under this shelf. And when you're done, you can just fold it up for easy storage under this shelf. Now that is dandy. It comes with two attachments. The first is a mini head, as you'd expect. It attaches to the hose, like so, and you can smaller surfaces, like this shelf, or stairs, or a couch, chair, whatever. It helps you clean more efficiently. The second is dual-sided. That's a dandy. Instead, it switched to vessel, tessel, knowledge. You can clean it with ease, with these ease, and you got yourself a place where you can go
where everybody knows your name.
Now that is dandy. My name is Dan, and I'm a fantastic vacuum cleaner. And I'm here to talk to you about Christian. One last thing. This power cord.
Liar.
Now she'll never know I made a mess. So order right now. 1-800-123-4567. That's 123. Or visit www.clean.com. There, we're done.
And they're always glad you came.
Okay, now where the hell am I?